So a couple weeks ago I was driving the Supra and I had the air on, and we've known that the AC compressor had an oil leak, but we didn't think it was too bad. But basically I was driving my car and then it sounded like I ran something horrible over. I don't even know what, and then my entire car shut off and I didn't know what was wrong with it. None of this is on camera, unfortunately, but I popped the hood and the AC compressor had seized up and that thing's freaking blown up. It's shot. We have another AC compressor over here that we are about to throw in my car. And knowing this thing, if you guys remember watching the process of restoring this, everything we tried to do on this car was a huge pain. So hopefully that won't be the case this time, but I highly doubt that. But that'll just make the video more fun. So let's get right into this install. I hope you guys enjoy. 160 horsepower Supra, 1100 horsepower Hellcat. You guys probably can't even see it. We have the dead compressor. Here's what I'm saying, this is most likely going to be a challenge because we have to fit it out through everything. Hopefully we'll be able to fit it out through the battery tray, but I'm doubting it's going to be that easy. Does it only mount from the top?
No, it's got two bolts on it. Came a new O-rings for this stuff. Well, that's the suction side. It looks kind of clean. The discharge side, oh yeah, it's all scored in there. Holy shit! I wonder if this compressor came with oil in it. I have to look, because otherwise you have to add oil to it. See, I thought this clutch was gonna. I thought it was gonna come with a clutch.
Isn't this one like shot?
No, I think the clutch is fine.
Let's hope this isn't like the crankshaft.
What do you mean?
You remember trying to get that thing off?
Oh, yeah. Right, it didn't shoot the key in there.
Well, I guess it stopped so quick.
Yeah, I guess it suddenly...
Yeah, it was literally just going, and then it immediately just quit. There it goes.
Might be alright. Just gotta clean it. It's all covered in oil.
Yeah.
From the thing leaking. Yeah, because that seal in there was obviously leaking. See, these are all... So as this thing rotates, those pistons are on a cam and they all go up and down. As you see, that one's pretty scored.
This one's bad.
Is
You
it?
can see it.
Oh, yeah. The cylinders don't look too bad, but the bearing's seized. Look at how dry that one is.
Yeah.
Well, needless to say, I don't think they're going to be remanning this thing, but that must have seized really good. I mean, if that stalled the engine, that's crazy.
Oh yeah, it shut the car off. It killed everything.
Clean all this crap.
Oh, so basically it sucks air in through the reeds and then like...
Well, it sucks Freon in. So it sucks it in through the reeds, and then the reeds close and it compresses it. And it sends it out another hole. So it comes in that hole because the vacuum opens the reed and pulls it that way. And then when it compresses it, it goes out these reeds on the other side. This gap right here
Yeah.
is really important because it's how much this thing has to get pulled into the magnet. If it's too wide, the compressor will, the clutch will slip.
It's colder in here. Yeah, that's cold. Supra has working air conditioning. Again.
Good. Ooh. There's a huge puddle of oil under it.
Nice.
From what I spilled. Oh yeah.
And once again, the Supra has working air conditioning. So, that'll be nice on those 90-degree days again. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. We got a couple cool videos coming out in the next couple of weeks. We've got the Hellcat, the go-kart. I also completely repainted it the other day. So there's going to be a video on that. Everyone on Instagram saw a sneak peek of the fenders. And then I just kind of went crazy with it and painted the whole thing. So you guys will get to see that. There will be another Race Wars video coming out soon and a whole bunch of other stuff. My friends reacting to riding in the go-kart and everything. So stick around. We got a bunch of stuff coming on the channel very soon. If you made it this far into the video, only about 7% I think of the viewers who watch my videos are subscribed. So if you are unsubscribed, feel free to hit that subscribe button. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I will see you all next week. Bye guys. Have a great rest of your week.